Hi, guys. This is John.
And this is Austin.
And this is a new segment we're doing called Recipe for Disaster.
Sounds kind of fun.
It's going to be fun.
I'm a little scared, but sounds fun.
So this one shouldn't be too scary. First, let me explain what we were thinking when we decided to do this. Some of our most fun Willet barbecues were the ones that went terribly wrong.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm thinking beer. I'm thinking soda. Didn't we do a soda one?
Yeah, coffee. We did a
Oh,
bunch of liquids.
They were so bad.
All the liquids were really good, but horrible tasting.
Oh, terrible, terrible. So we started thinking what would happen if we took real big swings on sausage, on other meat products. We're going to try and keep it meat focused, at least at the beginning. Eventually, we might spread out into other things.
Yeah.
But the first one we have is something inspired by what you said during a live stream, and it was about what you guys used to do at Quick Trip.
Yeah, so back in the day when we were little kids, going to Quick Trip, which is a big convenience store around here where we are, you'd get your 32-ounce glass and you'd go down the soda aisle on the fountain drinks and get just a little bit of everything. So we called it getting a suicide drink. It was interesting,
Yeah.
but you can combine it all and see what it tastes like.
Would some of that be their, what is it, Booster Rooster or Rooster
Booster.
Would some of it be that?
Oh, yeah.
God, I can't imagine what that tasted like.
It was one of those things that it probably really didn't taste that good, but you just kind of told everyone it did because you were the manly one that went through and got everything. So
I liked them all. So we took that idea and made a Frankenbrat. So we got 10 pounds of ground pork. We ground it twice through a 3/8 plate. Then we took 10 different seasonings and we used blue ribbon brat, hatch green chili, Philly brat, Jerry's brat, tomato basil, Chicago, salsa, apple, pineapple, and supreme pizza brats. Got enough of those for 1 pound each, mixed them all together, got enough water in there so everything dispersed well, went ahead and stuffed it into just some collagen, cooked them in the toaster oven, and you ready?
I'm scared, but I'm ready.
I can't see how this could be bad. I really can't. I'd say it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
What's the number one seasoning you're picking up?
I'd say apple in mine because I got a couple like actual chunks of apple.
All right, so that could be a problem. The one I'm picking up the most is the tomato basil, and that's also a big chunky seasoning. So
yeah,
either
I'm picking up now some of the hatch because I'm getting a little bit of spice that's growing.
That's the only thing in here with heat. A couple of people wanted us to do the Inferno brat, a couple other things, but I was worried that heat would overtake everything else, so we just went with some more mild seasonings.
If we do that, we probably just have to cut the usage, do like enough for half a pound so it doesn't overwhelm everything.
Well, here's what I was thinking for one of our next ones is we take all of our hottest seasonings, add extra ghost pepper to it, and just either do a snack stick or I don't know.
I almost even wonder if we'll be able to pick out flavors from that at all.
No, it'll just be heat.
Because it'll just be so hot.
Yeah, it'll just be heat.
So on one hand, if this kind of works out as we start doing this, maybe this is a good thing for people to do when they're not making that full 25-pound batch and they've just got a bunch of extra seasonings left over and just go, here we go. I got enough for a 10-pound batch out of 10 different things and let's go for it.
See what it comes up with. Yeah. In all honesty.
Okay, we'll be right back.
That's not us. That's a recipe for disaster. Yeah. All right, so we're back. I guess that was appropriate for our first recipe for disaster. I'm just happy it wasn't us that set it off.
Fire alarm, how many times now? Like 3 times it's gone off on us?
Yeah, and that is a loud sound.
Yeah, it's a little annoying.
Yeah.
If it wasn't against fire code, I'd probably go unplug the one over there. But that was like, hurts your ears.
Yeah, if it ever goes off in the building, I'm immediately going to assume we did it in here. That would be the most likely place. So if you could undo any of them, that would be the last one that should be undone.
Yeah, we can't undo that.
Can't undo that.
No.
All right, so all in all, first recipe for disaster, I'm going to say it's not a disaster.
No, it's actually really good.
Yeah.
I would honestly probably like eat a fair amount of those and then want them again fairly soon. Like they taste good.
As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John.
And I'm Austin.
We'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Watch our latest sales and giveaway video by clicking here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.